Hey everyone, Technoman here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your eSIM not working on your iPhone. So let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is pull out the control menu or pull it off and then put your phone on airplane mode briefly like that. And then you want to turn it off again. And that does a quick network refresh of your cellular signal. So if there's an issue with the cellular signal, it'll fix your eSIM as well. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you want to do is go into your setting on your iPhone. And from your settings, you want to click on the cellular option or the mobile option here, and then verify two things here. You want to verify that your cellular data is turned on, and also the eSIM is already turned on your phone. So these two options should be on. If for some reason this was turned off, your eSIM will not work. So make sure that turn on this line for the carrier is turned on and your phone should work. Now, after you have done that, the next thing to do is check for a carrier update. So I'm going to show you how to do it on this phone here. So in order to check for a carrier update, first thing is you're going to go into your setting on your iPhone, go to general, and then about. And then once you're in the about page, you want to wait around 30 seconds or so, and a message should pop up if there is a carrier update. Usually it will happen pretty quick. You'll get this pop-up that says update your carrier. It's different from a software update. But just wait here and then see if there's a pop-up that comes up. If so, just click on that update. And if it does then come up, that means there's no update. Just keep on moving on to the next troubleshooting steps, which is going to be to go ahead and force restart your iPhone. In order to do that, you're going to go ahead and press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and then hold on to the side button just like that. So it's volume up, volume down before you hold on to the side button just like that. And we're going to wait for the Apple logo to appear. So once the Apple logo appears, we'll let go of that button. And this is basically forcing the phone to shut down and reload the code. And it will not delete any of your personal data. So you don't have to worry about anything getting deleted on your phone. Basically a way to refresh the phone software. So if it's a software related issue causing the phone to not work correctly, like the eSIM, it'll fix it for you. Now, after you have done that, it's still not working. The next thing to do is go ahead into your setting on your iPhone, click on general, go all the way down where it says transfer reset iPhone, and then click on a reset. And we want to do a network reset. Basically a network reset will reset things around the network, like saved Wi-Fi, any network connections, and also any Bluetooth connected devices. It's something you want to do if you're having any sort of connectivity issue like eSIM not working. It will not delete any of your personal data. So all your photos, videos, apps will still be on your phone. Take about 10 to 15 seconds to do. Just go ahead and click on it and you'll be able to do it, and hopefully it fixes your eSIM. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing to do is go into your settings, go to general, go ahead and do a software update if there is an update available, because sometimes previous update might have caused the issue. This will help you go ahead and update to the latest version, and you'll be able to go ahead and use that update to fix any problems that you have. Lastly, if you're still having an issue with the eSIM is not working, one thing you do want to consider is go ahead and contact your carrier company to make sure if there's something they need to do on their end, or they can help you reconfigure your eSIM card. They'll be able to send you an eSIM QR code or configuration, which you can click on to add to your phone in order to remove the old one and re-add it again. And then along with that is you keep in mind that eSIM, it does require you to have iPhone 10 or 10s or newer device on the latest iOS version. So if you have anything older, unfortunately eSIM is not supported. Also, your carrier has to support eSIM card. Some carriers don't support eSIM. So verify with your carrier that they support eSIM. And lastly, another thing to also consider is on your device, make sure it's on the latest version as well, so that you can get the update for the eSIM as well. And that's it for trying to fix eSIM on your iPhone. I hope it is working now, and if so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.